Hello TikTok and YouTube, welcome back to my live. I hope you guys can see and hear me. In today's content, you guys can see I had the beautiful Aaliyah. I'm going to do the inspiration look of We Need a Resolution, and I'm going to turn this light off in the back so you guys can see more of the makeup. Hopefully you guys can see it, and I just want to show you guys that this is a big inspiration for me. I think y'all see it now. Welcome to my live. Tap on that screen for me. Show your girl some love. Welcome. Alright, I'm going to go back and start using my Malibu Sunrise eyeshadow palette by I Envy. I'm going to use a darker orange and a lighter orange mixed together. I'm going to apply like all over. So I'm going to recreate this makeup look that's behind me. As you guys can see. Shut up. Sorry, I'm back. I had to do something. Okay. And I'm going to use my Draw Me Rainbow eyeshadow palette. I'm going to use this color. It's like a teal blue. And I'm going to go on top of, above my lash line. Thank you. So I'm just going to go back and forth. And then I know she has some under her eye. And I'm going to use the Crystal Glow V-Lux I Envy lashes. These are called Trilent. And these are I Envy's most natural looking lashes. I'm going to use my 3D Adhesive Clear Lash Glue. So I'm going to apply the lash glue above the rim. And I'm just going to apply lightly. And then I'm going to slightly bend my lash. Hello everybody, welcome to the live. If you haven't already, please double tap for your girl. And I'm going to use my fingers to place my lashes down. Okay, and then next I'm going to use my e.l.f. spray. I'm going to spray on this side to keep the moisture. And I'm going to use my Cool Cafe 2-in-1 foundation number 05. I'm going to go underneath here. And I'm going to go back with my eyeshadow palette. I'm trying to show more of that blue. Because I know when she closed her eyes, it was more of that color showing. And then I'm going to go back with some concealer. I'm going to use a lighter concealer. I'm going to use Tan 03 Nika K. I'm going to apply a little bit because I don't want too much of the lighter concealer to overshadow the darker tone of the concealer. And I'm going to spray a little bit of this e.l.f. spray on my brush. And I'm going to blend it in just like that. If you guys are just joining my live, please double tap for me and show your girl some love. So I'm just blending out my foundation and concealer. I'm going to apply a little concealer around my lip area. And I'm going to tell you guys what colors that I did use. I use my lip balm by I Envy. It is like an orange color. I applied. This is the Tangerine number 03 from I Envy. And all I did, I used some eyeshadow for the middle part. Towards the bottom, I used the darker red and orange blend together because her bottom lip is darker in the middle. And that's all I did, and I just put some lip gloss on top, clear lip gloss. And I'm just going to blend out the concealer around my lip area. And then I'm going to go in with some blush. I'm going to use my Ruby Kisses by I Envy. This is the blush one, number 03. I'm going to just use one little spot here. And I'm going to spray a little bit on my brush. And I'm going to blend that out. And then I'm going to go back in. I'm going to put a little bit more blue, because in the picture she has more of the blue. And then go ahead and put some concealer up there. And this is the finished look of Miss Aaliyah We Need a Resolution music video. It was mostly orange and blue. I'm going to use a little bit of this lighter orange in between. Alright, you guys, this is the look. So, what you guys think? And all the material that I use, the products I use in today's video, I use the Draw Me Rainbow eyeshadow palette. If you're interested in this palette, please go to ivyusa.com. And these are the variety of colors, but I just used the two colors of the orange and the red. And I also used their other eyeshadow palette. It's a little bit smaller. This is like sunset colors. This is the Malibu Sunset eyeshadow palette. And I used this one. And also I used the lashes in the video. Is the Crystal Glow Trilliant. This is by I Envy. This is their new line. So if you haven't already, I would suggest go on their website and go purchase. These lashes look more natural. And the lips, I used the Ruby Tinted Lip Balm. This is the color. It's like an orange. It's Tangerine. This is number 03. And for the middle, I just used some of the eyeshadow from the eyeshadow palettes that I wore in the video. And I use my Super Strong Hold 3D Lash Glue. This is in the color Clear. So if you're interested in buying, this is one of the most safest and non-irritating lash glues. So if you're interested, this is how the bottle looks. It's like $3.99. And I also use Argan Oil lip gloss. This is the best lip gloss. Non-sticky, very smooth, and it just makes your lips pop more. And this is not by I Envy, but this is the foundation that I use. This is the 2-in-1 foundation and concealer by Absolute. If you're interested as well, you guys can find this at your local beauty supply store, or you guys can find it on Walmart, at Walmart as well, and also on their site. This is the Cool Cafe number 05. And I also used the e.l.f. Coconut Setting Mist in today's video. And I used my Nicka K Tan No. 03 Concealer. And the blush that I use is I Envy's blush. It's called Pearl 1 No. 03 if you're very interested. They have a variety of blushes. So this is like one of my favorite ones. You see it goes on very smooth. It's not heavy. It looks more natural. And this is one of the best ones. So that's it for today's video. I hope you guys did like I hope you did I hope you guys did like my video, my content for today. If you guys want to follow me on Instagram, Modest Transformation by Celeste. Follow me on my personal page, SexyRiri_93. And you guys follow me on TikTok, Transformation by Celeste. You guys can find all my information in my bio. And also, if you have any suggestions of another celebrity makeup you want me to do, just direct message me and we will make it happen. And now I want to say thank you to everyone for coming on to my live. Thank you, Miss Yvonne, for liking my live. 2,000 likes. Thank you. And you guys, I will see you guys. Well, YouTube, you guys, I'm still going to be on. But TikTok, I will see you guys in my next live. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to all my social media platforms. And I will see you guys later. Bye.